So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here in this video I am going to explain you about how to use DMM, that is digital multimeter. So this digital multimeter is very helpful for the measurements like voltage, current or resistance. So in many of the experiments we require the DMM for these measurements. So let us know how to use this. So here are the two terminals. First of all, you should connect here this black terminal, that is connected to negative COM. So here black is always connected to the ground, and that is negative terminal, and this red is positive terminal, which we can connect across this voltage DC voltage measurement. Okay, and this terminal we can use if we want to measure AC current about 10 ampere. Actually majority of the experiments we don't require that much current, so whenever if necessary you can use this terminal for the measurement. So here you can see this is the voltage measurement for DC. I can just move it. So this is the way you can measure DC voltage. You can see this symbol, and this is for AC voltage. Just you should turn here. Okay. Then this is for current measurement. Here DC current, and here as I said, if you want to measure the current of about 10 ampere, for that purpose you can use this knob. And then here for if you are using diode in the circuit, that time you can use this terminal. And then this is for the continuity of wire, you can measure using this section. And here you can measure resistance also. So this DMM is very helpful for the measurement of voltage, current or resistance, and also other than the electronic devices like diode or the LED, and also resistors or battery, the voltage across them you can calculate. This is you can use to use for transistor NPN or PNP transistor connection. So just I will show you how much voltage across this battery. Just I will check here and show you the reading, how you can verify the voltage across given device, resistance or current. So here you have to keep it in DC voltage mode, and then these are the props they have given, positive and negative terminal. So here I am checking the voltage across this battery. It is about 5.4 volts. So if you change these terminals, if you connect vice versa, then the polarity is going to change. So if I connect across these terminals, if I change positive and negative terminals, here the polarity is going to same, but the voltage is going to be same, minus 5.4 volt. So like that you can check the voltage across any device. So you can also check the continuity of wire. That means if there is any damage or any destruction in the wire, you can find out. If there is no any damage to the wire, you are going to have the voice here. So if wire is good, or if there is any there is no destruction in the wire, then you are going to get the voice like this. This shows that wire is in a good condition. So here you can also check the resistance across resistance of. So also you can check the resistance of this resistor. You can also check using color code, but here you can directly check using this DMM. It is about 15 ohm. So 15k, actually 200k here you can see. So it is around 15k ohm, the resistance of the resistor. So like that you can measure current, voltage and resistance of a given device using this DMM. So it is very helpful for any measurements related to electronic devices. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.